Holiday shopping season officially underway between Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, today, Cyber Monday.
And while you might be saving on those deals, our local businesses really benefit from the holidays as well. A report suggesting that a majority of small businesses receive more than 25% of their annual sales during the holiday season. Since 2010, the total reported U.S. spending at small businesses on Small Business Saturday is estimated at over $200 billion.
But here at home, that lake effect snowstorm likely put a dent in the amount of support for small businesses Saturday. Tonight, 7 News senior reporter Maki Becker is sharing the voices of some Southtowns business owners about the impact the snow is having on the kickoff to the holiday shopping season.
Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and no Bills game Sunday till late. It's usually a very, one of our busiest weekends of the year.
But for many businesses in the Southtowns and the Southern Tier, this weekend's snowstorm not only buried their streets and sidewalks, but also their plans for Small Business Saturday.
Saturday, when we woke up and we looked out the window, we knew that all the snow might keep people from getting out and about. It was already, the streets were snow covered.
Small Business Saturday, which follows Black Friday, helps independent stores like Vidler's Five and Dime boost its sales. Vidler's co-owner, Cliff DeFlyer, said they could see the snow starting and the sales slowing.
It started, and basically I had to close early that day because the snow started piling up and people stopped coming out.
In the village of Hamburg, John McNeil of Game On Hamburg, a sports memorabilia store, was counting on last weekend's business.
Myself and the other businesses in the village had planned a lot for Small Business Saturday, different specials and different deals.
Heather Jackson, owner of Merit Badge Books in Hamburg, says customers seek out shops like hers.
I think that customers have it in their heads that is a special time to go out and spend their money locally.
It's not always easy to get shoppers to reschedule their plans.
It's definitely easier to get it online. Unfortunately, you're not supporting the community, and getting out here and supporting myself and the other small businesses in the area just keeps the money in the community.
So the business owners say there's 3 more weeks and they're going to make the most of it, and they're hoping shoppers will too.
The retail businesses, a lot of the restaurants here in Hamburg are hoping to push their Small Business Saturday deals and events to this coming weekend.
Myself and the other businesses in the area all plan on doing our specials that we had going this weekend. We're going to do them again next weekend.
We still got 3 weeks till Christmas, so come on out. There's something here for everybody.
Let's call it Small Business Saturday 2.0. In the Southtowns, Maki Becker, 7 News.